The feature comment goes to Saving with Christina. You get some free coupons, girl. Email me at couponandcrystle@yahoo.com so I can send you your free coupons. And guys, go check her out. She has a couponing channel. Hey, lovely people. Coupon and Crystle here with my CVS haul for this week. Sunday, lovely people. I hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday. Let's jump into this haul, okay? The first deal that I decided to do was on the Always and the Tampax. Select Always and Tampax this week is buy one, get one, 50% off. Plus, when you spend $15, you're going to get a $5 extra buck. Limit of one. I decided to get Always, all pads. So the first set that I got was $5.99 for the Always Radiant. I got 2 of those. And this is actually 11 count. Got 2 of those. And then I got 2 of the Flex Foam. So $5.99 for one, $2.99 for the other, and the same thing with the other set. Okay, so the total of what I got was $17.96. I used 2 of the 4 off of 2 P&G coupons. That was $8 coming off. Then I had a 2 off of 16 tampons, pads, or liners, CRT. Then I also had a paper 2 off of Always or Radiant. Always Radiant. So that's the reason why I got Always Radiant for 2 of them, because I wanted to be able to use that $2 paper coupon. It printed at the bottom of my receipt. One day I was at CVS. Okay, so that made my cost be $5.96. Getting back $5 extra buck makes the cost be 96 cents. That is great for 4 boxes of Always. Okay. Next deal I decided to get was on the Colgate mouthwash. All right. This week, we've got the Colgate manual toothbrush, a 1 count, the total 500 milliliter, or the Optic White mouthwash. And it's on sale $3.99. When you buy 2, you're going to get a $5 extra buck. Now, for some reason, tagged in the store, it said it was a limit of 1, but it's actually a limit of 2, which is in the sales flyer. So I decided to get 2 and 2. So I got 4 of the Optic Whites. That was a total cost of $15.96. Now, I did have some coupons because I actually used a different email address and went on Colgate.com and printed 2 75-cent off coupons. Now, there is also a 50-cent insert coupon in this Sunday's inserts. Okay, so, So since I got 4 bottles, I decided to use the 2 75s and a 1 50-cent, which made it be $2 additional coming off. Plus, I had a 4 off of 16 Colgate CRT. Okay, so that made for a good deal to me because that was $9.96. So I had to pay $9.96 in store, got back my $10 extra buck, 4-cent money maker. Great deal, great deal. Deal I decided to get, guys, was on the U by Kotex. This week they are priced 2 for $8. Buy 2 and get a $2 extra buck. It's a limit of 1. Now, if you purchase 1, it's going to be $4.19. The products that are included is the liners, the 40 to 50 count, the pads, 14 to 18 count, or the tampons, 16 to 18 count. So what I decided to get the 16 count of the tampons. All right, because on my phone I had a coupon on my CVS app for 3 off of 12 U by Kotex, I decided to purchase 3. Okay, so that was 2 for $8 for these, and then $4.19 for this one, making it be $12.19. I had the $3 insert coupon off of 2 that I was able to use. Plus, I had a $2 feminine care CRT, okay? It was 2 off feminine care. But the strange thing is there was also a $1.50 Kotex that popped up which actually dropped my total, my expected total. Let's just say that. We're gonna take a look at the receipt so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I was not expecting that, okay? So this was my first transaction. So after all my coupons, it was $18.11. So my intention is to roll $16 in extra bucks. But in actuality, I think that unexpected $1.50 Kotex that came off that I didn't even know I had ended up dropping my cost, and it made my subtotal only be 61 cents, which was a great deal to me, okay? I got my $5 back, my $2 and my $10, so a total of $17, even though I actually only rolled 16. Let's look at the receipt. We've got the U by Kotex, the Colgate, and then the Always. The coupons, these right here for the mouthwash, that was the Always. This is for the U by Kotex. This is the mystery $1.50 that I have no idea what it was. The 4 off of 16 Colgate, that was for the mouthwash. That was 3 off 12, the U by Kotex. 2 off of Tampax and Always Radiant. 2 off of 16 Feminine Care, that was going with the Always. 2 off Feminine Care, that was for the U by Kotex. So basically, I rolled, like, this is my extra bucks right here. The $16 worth of extra bucks right here is my extra bucks that I rolled. This right here is the CRT that ended up attaching to the U by Kotex, because what I had more than one. I had a 2 off of Feminine Care, and I believe a 2 off of any tampons or pads, something like that, because I only had 26 extra bucks and I only rolled 16. So I don't know why that one actually came off that way. I'm not really sure. I don't know why that one didn't show the type of CRT it is. There is my subtotal of 61 cents. I was expecting $2.19, but you know, that wasn't it. Guys, for the second transaction, I decided to do the spend 30 and get 10. Yes, had to do that because I've got some P&G coupons and I wanted to utilize them. So the first product that I got was the Gain Liquid. The Gain Liquid was $4.94. I used that $2 P&G insert coupon, making it be $2.94. The next thing I got was the Pantene. Now this is the larger Pantene. This is like the 20 ounce, 20.2 fluid ounce of the Pantene. This particular size is on sale 3 for $15, and it's included in the deal, of course. So I got 3 of those. Now I did not have the paper coupon, has expired, but thank goodness to Savvy Saver Diva Jackson and Yo Better Save reminded me that there is a digital on my app for $5 off of this, because the paper one expired on yesterday, of course. Remember, I was talking about I was going to do early activation. I didn't feel like it. I didn't do it. I didn't feel like it, okay? So that was a great deal. The next thing that I decided to do in my spend 30 get 10 was the Febreze small spaces, okay? Now, these are priced $3.49, but they're buy one, get one 50% off. So one is $3.49 and one is $1.74. All right, so I got 4 of those, 2 and 2. I'm gonna have to use 2 buy one, get one free coupons, all right? Now, the max value on those coupons is $3. Remember? Okay, now this is the funny thing about this. I'll just tell y'all this. The lady, the first time I rang up, and I'm saying the first time because I was originally going to include the Tresemme in with this spend 30 get 10 deal, but it wasn't working out quite the way I wanted to with the CRT. So I said, no, I'm going to just step out of line and I'm not going to do the deal. Now, when she decided to run the coupon through, she didn't take off the max value of $3, which is what I had in my calculation. She ended up taking off $1.74. So it worked out that I stepped out of line so I could go back and recalculate my figures. Okay. But the funny thing is that when I went back in the line again, I didn't get her. I got the other lady, and I love the other lady. When she rings me out, okay, I think she is the CVS guru, okay? Because she knows how to make stuff go through, okay? I don't know what it is that she knows that everybody else don't seem to know, okay? But let me tell you what was so strange. How the first transaction didn't pick up these coupons, but this second transaction did. Now, the first cashier, what she did was, you know, the cashier has to put in the value of the buy one, get one free coupon. So she decides that she's going to take the price, the half price. So she takes off $1.74. When my second lady rings me up, okay, she gives me the max value, all right? She gives me $3 off, plus the Febreze coupon that's a clip to app Febreze, which is for the fabric. The $3 off coupon actually attaches to my transaction as well, okay? So that shows right there, God will give you double for your trouble, okay? So because I had to get out of line and she wasn't trying to give me my max value, I came right back through and got my max value, plus I got an additional $3 off. But it gets even better. I actually rolled $10 in extra bucks because the total of my transaction was $30.40, okay? But after coupons, I was expecting to pay $10.40, so I was gonna roll a $10 extra buck. But in actuality, because I had that other $3 Febreze actually attached to the transaction that I wasn't expecting it to do, it actually dropped the value of my extra buck from $10 to $8.40. She turns around and she goes and prints me a $2 extra buck to give me my money back. So my subtotal ended up being $0, okay? And I still got my $10 extra buck, which was amazing. Where's my $2 extra buck? There's my $2 extra buck, okay? Which is amazing. Great, guys, because I only had, remember, $26 in extra bucks for the whole to spend. So in the first transaction, I ended up with extra bucks. So yes, so now I have 29 in extra bucks versus 26. I'm right back where I was, but I got $3 extra. So that is amazing. I love CVS. That's the part that I love about CVS, because you can pretty much just coupon at CVS. And you may not be able to do like repetitive deals like you can at Walgreens, but the good thing about CVS, you can coupon at CVS and have very low out of pocket. So that's what I love about CVS. So tell me in the comments below, lovely people, what do you love about CVS? What do you like about couponing at CVS, okay? And perhaps your comment will be a featured comment and you'll get coupons mailed to you, like Saving with Christina. All right, so remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye, guys.